Hey guys, wanna know how to get more matches in OkCupid? Well, no worries, in this video I'm going to show you and explain you how to do it. Now first up, simply open up your OkCupid application. Now you need to keep in mind that OkCupid is all about profile quality and activity. First up, you need to upload 4 to 6 clear photos, smiling, solo and natural. Profiles with good pictures get more swipes. It's better if you do it once you've registered. And if you have not, you can just simply hit towards settings and upload more photos. Next, you need to write your self-summary or your bio. That shows your personality. Mention hobbies, goals or something funny. Keep it real, not generic. Answer a lot of math questions. The more you answer, the better OkCupid can match you. Also, be active. Log in daily and swipe. OkCupid pushes active users more. And if you are open to it, turn on incognito mode or boost to stand out in searches. And that's it. Super simple and easy. That's how you get more matches in OkCupid. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.